Today, I'll be trying Dietitian Recipes. They make a living telling people how to eat, so their recipes must be good, right?
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Oh my, I'm gonna half like piss my pants. Oh, my bladder. Don't forget to thumb this video. Let's start off with breakfast.
I'm a dietitian and this is what I ate for breakfast. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl, mix in 3/4 cup of water and a pinch of salt. Strain into a bowl and cover with saran wrap and steam for 12 minutes. Placed my bowl on a steamer rack and covered it, but you can steam this however you want. Now it's topped with soy sauce, sesame oil, and green onions. This is optional, but you can cut through the egg to let the sauce seep through. I'm having this with leftover rice and kimchi, and it was so good.
Are you ready to say hello to your healthy kitchen girlies? I am the tree and this is my leaf. We did not plan this, but since we're doing like a healthy dietitian episode, this just happens to be the best coincidence. Mother Nature-esque. Not gonna lie, when I first saw that recipe, I thought it was a flan, but it's egg. Here are my eggs. Let's crack them into our bowl. Mix in 3/4 cup water and a pinch of salt. Mix that all together. I'm gonna strain the mixture. Oh, maybe it will fit all of our egg.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna keep pouring.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Here I was worried about the portion size.
Just ASMR peeing.
Me in the middle of the night because I'm pregnant. I get up to pee like twice sometimes. Fun fact, you pee a lot more often when you're pregnant. This is gonna be steamed for 12 minutes. Look at our steamed egg. Ooh. Jiggly. Let's season our steamed egg. In goes soy sauce. Now it looks like a flan. It's like that caramel sauce. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. No pressure. Okay. Oh.
Yum.
I butchered that cutting, but whatever.
That's best.
Green onion bay.
Nice.
Nice.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
All right, everyone grab a little jiggly steamed egg.
This is really good.
Wow, that's good.
I didn't expect it to be full of flavor. Like just that, a little bit of soy sauce and sesame oil, it really makes it into like a nice savory dish, right? Texture is silky smooth, so you definitely need to strain your egg.
That's
I think
me.
my favorite thing about it is how simple and easy it was to make. Like you can't stuff this one up. At least we didn't. She did not lie. This is a really good breakfast to have.
I think you just change like instead of soy sauce, you can do like
Lauganma.
spicy and lauganma. Yeah.
Lauganma, that. Oh. This first dietitian recipe has to be a double thumbs up. Wow, okay, maybe they do know what they're doing. Here's a quick salad you could have for lunch.
I'm a dietitian and this is my go-to salad when I need something quick, easy and nutritious for lunch. It requires no cooking at all and the delicious combination of fresh herbs, salad veggies and lemon dressing will leave you feeling healthy, energized and satisfied.
We're not dietitians, but we're gonna try this recipe. I'm an unhealthy dietitian. This looks like a pretty easy recipe. You just pop all the salad ingredients into a bowl. Cucumbers, diced up onions. Check out our fancy tomatoes. I bought a mixed medley of little cherry tomatoes.
We're trying to be aesthetic, guys.
What do green tomatoes taste like? Oh. I think it's just less ripe. It's just for the color. Oh, it's awful. Taste this.
That's what happens when you try to be aesthetic.
In goes our chopped parsley, this avocado. Doesn't it look so round?
It looks like a green mango. It's
like-
so big. Yo.
Please be good.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Bro, the seed's so big.
It's like a coconut merged with a
Yeah.
avocado.
That's actually really pretty though.
I need to concentrate trying not to cut myself. Probably shouldn't do this with like my sharpest knife. Switching up my weapon because I think I would have just chopped my finger off.
Stay safe out there.
Oh, this part is not so aesthetic, guys. Look away, look away.
Okay, it looks aesthetic on camera.
We're adding lentils to the salad. I'm back with my washed lentils. You in. Feta.
It's like tofu.
Yeah, now I'm just gonna crumble my feta on top. I can't wait to dive into this. Let's make the dressing. All you need is a lemon and olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Half of that went on the counter. I am the Hulk. I shall defeat you, lemon. We have extra virgin olive oil with truffle. I mean, when you have truffle olive oil, you gotta use it, right? There's so much left. We should just use it. Obviously, you do you. Use whatever olive oil you want.
Wait, do you want to scoop out the seeds?
I would like to. I'll just do it with my hands.
Wait, I see another seed in there.
Too late. Give that a little mix. I wish I had some aesthetic utensils to mix it up, but I don't. Oh, That smells amazing. Oh, that looks so good. I'd be impressed if you served this. How good does that look? OMG, like salad. I've never been so excited to eat salad. We do have a whole episode on different healthy salads that you guys did not healthy.
But
I totally lied there. Let me rephrase that. We have an episode on salad recipes that you need to check out. They're not all healthy. Big bite. Cheers. How does it taste a lot more complex than it like was to make?
I love it.
You love it?
I feel so healthy.
You know what we need? We need more feta and hit it with a little bit more lemon.
Half a lemon.
More is more with this recipe. Oh. That is really good. This salad is a crowd pleaser. It does not disappoint. This one definitely gets our nod of approval, hence why we should give it a double thumbs up. Double spoons up. It's so good. This whole rating's like When you need a quick meal, this is a dietitian approved dinner.
I'm a dietitian and this okonomiyaki is my go-to dinner when I'm short on time and ingredients. You only need cabbage, shallots, eggs, miso, flour and soy. Then you just mix together and cook on a pan just like a pancake. And I guarantee you with the delicious sauce toppings, you're gonna be making this time and time again.
Does anyone else call it cabbage? Cabbage, no? Cabbage, guys, it's a cabbage. I have no strength. Oh, it's my brain.
no, this is your brain.
This is our brain. Zen's, mine, together we are one brain. Anatomy class right here. Basically, you just gotta cut it into little thin strips, right? In it goes into a bowl, throw in some spring onions. Then we need some eggs. 5 eggs it is. It's a cabbage omelette. Okay, that's a lot of eggs. Are we exceeding our daily egg intake with this? A little bit of soy sauce. I've never added miso into like a okonomiyaki.
1 tablespoon.
Feels like a lot, but what do we know? We're not dietitians.
What, half cup wholemeal flour.
I just licked my finger and that was so
Why?
salty. I don't know why. I always do, I don't think, I just do. Whole wheat organic flour. We're on track. Half a cup. In goes our water. I feel like I needed a bigger bowl. Mix. I think we're on track, guys. It's looking like hers. I just need to make sure that miso paste is well incorporated in because that was hella salty. Make myself presentable. Okay, sesame oil in. Half goes in. Spread it out like a pancake. Try to just fill it in. Don't know how I'm gonna flip this. And now we wait. How to flip this?
Where are you gonna go?
I definitely can't do that. I'm shaking my belly doing this. Okay, we gotta double team this. This one's a curved one.
Okay, I'll lift
Pop
it
it on mine, yeah. And then I'll flip it towards, oh, this is the disaster. This is a disaster. Nah, it's not gonna work.
I think it's getting worse.
I can't. Why don't we just eat it raw? Nah, I'm so
Are you
stressed.
betting
I
on
feel
me?
so stressed. I'm so stressed. What if you do that and then I kind of just guide it along mid-air?
That sounds worse.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's a half. Okay, that's good. It
That's
looks
good. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Do you guys mind it? Like, does anyone have a problem with this half moon?
It actually looks okay. Listen.
How is it gonna cook?
Oh,
Nudging.
okay.
I will keep nudging. We should have left it in the half moon.
Okay, we got another one.
Guys, just don't make your okonomiyaki so big. But let's just let that cook and then we will check back in with our perfect one, our second attempt. We are striving to do better. Not so big, Tina.
This time I'll showcase my amazing flipping skills.
Get your tickets everyone to see Zen's amazing flipping skills.
Front row VIP tickets.
Do you want me to massage your shoulders? Just
Massage
like-
my wrist.
You got this, you got this.
Okay.
You got this. You got this. It's okay then. Wait,
You're
I don't
making
know
me
why,
nervous. You're making
but
me
I'm
nervous.
laughing and my belly is gonna bounce. Like, you know when I do that? my heart, I can't. Oh my god, I'm gonna give birth. I need more support on my belly right now. Oh, I'm gonna half like piss my pants too. Like I can't. Oh, my bladder. Okay, wait.
I'm crying.
Okay, go. Wait, we can do. I reckon we can like fix it.
few moments later.
I'll refund your tickets, guys.
If we carefully place the two halves side by side, maybe they will like conjoin together again. Ta-da! This was better than before, and a little bit of sauce will cover it. We can fix this aesthetically. I gotta pee. We went from an F to a C. We're gonna work with attempt number 2. That one's got the most going for it right now. I'm gonna use Okonomiyaki sauce. It's a lot better than the barbecue sauce that she used, but I'm sure barbecue sauce tastes good too. And then obviously mayo. Oh.
Actually, kind of good.
Sorry, I need to change my mayo. Please.
Okay.
Okay, that's. Do we need more sauce?
I think we need to do it closer together.
Oh, I've committed. I can't.
Kinda.
Kinda. Pop some furikake seasoning. We've got some salmon one. Doesn't that one look so good?
That one looks really good.
Thank you.
We fixed it with the sauce.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna know. No one's gonna know except everyone watching this video.
Get it out.
How are they gonna know?
They're not gonna know.
Taste test, guys. Was it worth the heart attack flipping this? I almost peed my pants. I actually felt a couple droplets. That like too much info. Tina is TMI. Cheers. Basically, you need the sauce, guys. It's very eggy compared to a regular okonomiyaki. And I think the furikake definitely adds more umami-ness to it. But when I tried this on its own, it needed more flavor. Like it was a bit too plain Jane to have on its own. The sauce, the toppings makes it. And I think that's the most unhealthiest part. Without sauce, no good. I mean, it's just a good base, you know? Like
Yeah.
just, you need to elevate it. I think if I was served this, it would be a double thumbs, but I think because the fact that I almost gave birth and like I needed to run to the toilet after, it loses half a thumb just because of that anxiety it gave me.
I'm doing one thumb.
There you go.
It's good, but it's not like mind-blowing.
We've all got mixed emotions about this one.
I agree though. 2 thumbs for that didn't make it.
Here's what a dietitian eats for a snack.
These cookie dough protein bites are the perfect sweet snack for that 3 p.m. afternoon slump when you want something good, but something that's also satisfying. Made with nourishing ingredients like peanut butter for healthy fats, protein powder to keep you full, oats for fiber, and of course some sweet chocolate chips. All you have to do is mix up the ingredients, roll them into balls, and then enjoy.
Zen loves cookie dough. I need to impress her with this.
You know cookie dough ice cream? Oh.
I don't know if we should get our hopes up. I'm kind of scared, so I'm just gonna like do half the portion of what she did because I have commitment issues. So in goes peanut butter, rolled oats.
Dude, that's huge.
Need protein? I got you. I mean, Alfred does. Extreme milk chocolate flavor. We're doing half a scoop of this. I don't have just flaxseed. I've got a omega seed mix, which has pumpkin, sunflower, flax seeds, chia, and hemp seeds. Sounds healthy. We're going with that. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sweetness with honey, dash of vanilla extract. Our chocolate chips are huge though. They're more like chocolate buttons. Yeah, this is looking alright. Should we just make mini ones?
Yeah, let's do mini bowls.
Roll this into a little protein cookie ball. Ta-da! They look like meatballs. Grab a ball each, guys. It is a little bit mushy. Maybe I need to refrigerate it. Cheers.
Texture feels a bit funky. I think we have to fridge it. Maybe it'll be like, I feel like it will taste really good if it's
Texture.
fridged, right?
The flavor is there, except that ours is a little bit too soft, like almost like it's melting in our hands. So I feel like if we were to pop this in the fridge for like an hour or two just to harden up, it would make a big difference.
But I would say the flavor's there. Flavor's pretty good.
You're a gym bro, would you eat this as a little
Yeah,
protein snack?
for sure.
Ew.
But it needs to be like way harder.
We've all discussed what we feel about this and we're all rating it a 1.5 thumb. You just need to pop it in the fridge and maybe if we were to try it again, it would be 2 thumbs. But honestly, it's a recipe that you can kind of just remix and make your own. So add whatever seeds you want, whatever flavor protein powder. I think this is a really good base to have though. And if Alfred likes it and he likes to go to the gym, you saw that protein powder. He takes his workouts seriously. Show him your muscles. Show.
Put
Flex,
him on the
flex.
spot.
It's got to say a lot if it's Alfred approved. We've come to the end of this episode, and I just want to say that I'm pretty impressed. I think these dietitians, especially the ones on TikTok sharing their recipes, they're onto something. They get paid for a reason. They're qualified. We should listen to them more. If you guys want to binge watch more cooking videos, I've got plenty for you guys to watch. Click the video on screen and what are we gonna do?
Thumbs.
I'm not doing this stupid thumb.
If you eat in the kitchen, you're in the team. You gotta do it.
I don't. It's so cringe.
Okay, I'm the tree. We try to pick Alpha and he's like, don't forget to thumb this video.
No.
We're holding you up, like we elevate you like this and you're like, don't forget to thumb this video. I'll say it, but do you want to lay in it? Maybe like
can't
after
even
eating that
carry
protein.
me.
I think after eating that protein ball, I've got enough.
I've
like,
got
straight.
muscles now.
Don't forget to thumb this video and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.